bring. Listen, no. This is the boss. This is the other one, the mechanic. This guy was talking to me as if I'm the most dumbest human being on this planet. This guy was talking to me as if I'm a big fat. Like, what did he be want use me do right now? Now for una to look me tomorrow, pour spit for my hair. Like I was helping, and at the end of the day, this one they believe waiting me they talk. Me go tell and say he really bad the boss. Me everybody calm down. This one, Becky. Calm down. Me will give her the remaining money. Tomorrow, if I not see boss, now I can't say I be mumu, I be fool. This was the two things he sent to me. He sent me this. Wait. He said they even give her the boss. Now, I never see where person where they sell boss for they sell only one. This thing is not for me. I want to see other bosses for them. When you for can't choose the one way you want back. You know the man that sleep for you. He said they're not giving her sleep. No seats. Meaning you want buy this boss for for 6 million. Cost to go to look for money when you want a best seat. As if that is not enough. If you catch her for one, it go enter another one. Say you know go come on video camera again. I can't ask the most annoying question we can't give me, which is the answer we can't give me back. After they ask him all these things, you know they see evidence they give me. He say the person will sign for this boss for him. Say now rent. Now he rent the house. But the boy can't go look for a family house document. Can't sign for him will be German money. Does it even make sense? Somebody where you pay 4 million naira to will give you boss me and go to the hustle. For you to pay 4 million, you don't pay at least 70% of that money. Now see what thing he can't do me. Make me no tell una. Say don't buy boss. And he say he need help. Make me no tell una, say don't buy boss. So that he say if he come live, make me the answer him. That's why when somebody tell us and say he want pay the remaining 1.8 million, he say make an answer. You know, as he be now, he dey look himself say as he be. And so me myself say Now he go clear say not be the thing when if he say they use me, they make me donate for him. I decided to donate for you, not because of you, but because of God Almighty and for humanity.
Yeah, I use a plan for 19.
See, German money. See water. See. I wash my hands. Yeah. But more for everything that has to do. Yeah. And I wash out for live stream. Anything that has to do with me. I'll throw this one away. I take you and I will block you with it. When it comes to me, when I help you.
You know, buy phone, you get phone now. Somebody say na phone, you go buy. Me, I want drive, go where German money, come outside gates. I want drive, come where you dey now.
But now the iPhone follow and come back when you deal with you. The iPhone follow and reach your house.
Yes, iPhone 15 now they use. iPhone 15, I see what I see with.
Okay, meaning not be the phone.
They bought the iPhone follow Brosubona.
Yes, did I carry him? I did not carry him. With that phone, they with him.
Oh, wow.
No,
The phone they with him.
No, on the Dorish. No, on the Dorish. Now they block German money. When I figure they help German money from the other end, but me and no deal. Yeah? And they block German money right now. I cannot move with somebody that I use my own mind to help. At the end of the day, it go say na enemy in the heart for me. I'm sorry.
It too dey spiritual minded. Small thing, enemy. Who be enemy? Not all those enemy help you.
Now when you say please, you people can go and do it from your end.
But
you see me,
I don't tire.
I'm
Before I no get converse like this, no say the thing don't pass extraordinary.
because it is a mute, and every other people was hearing our conversation. Imagine say I stupidly mute. I can't tell that say everything they okay. Or imagine say I believe what this guy talk. I can't tell that say they okay. Then because of the good I told I get, we will come complete that money. That money could not send a bank details for me where it carry 4.2 million naira or 4.1.80,000. German money send me 480,000 naira. Why they beg me say, "Pa, please, please what?"
See, good name is better than anything. Good name is more better.
Not anywhere. I'm blocking German money immediately. Please, the money we do to
Wanna pour me water? My head they hot.
I want to
the
something.
people they say go shop money, which is Ogbona. I feel say if they say Ogbona transfer that money, problem will follow come.
Hey, Papa, I want to something. I need my money. I need money where I put inside that money. I need them back.
No, dash him because for the sake of God, no, we're not doing that one. Let's just dash him the money. But let it go. We do everything for God. Being let it to wait. If they call a man, not go mistake for the kobo. Kobo na money. Kobo na money. Now when they look and say kobo not be money. Okay. Let me put it back here for people to see. So that not be outside the 4th John. So 14th November. Koyomeke. Happy Eboso Sunday. 418,652 naira 70 kobo.
Epa, the money say won't send you 1.8 for now.
What be the money?
See, I might comment, might reply.
Bring down. Let me come up.
Okay, sir.
Where is the money?
I don't be reply the comment. Oh.
Where did the money? Don't see your reply.
The money. Epa, the money send request and I say make I go do the 1.8 for her. Epa, I best send request.
This is 4 million now. So some of them not go school. So this one are 4 million. Enogi. 4 million, not 400k. Wait, oh. That's truth. This one are 4 million. This one are 4 million naira.
Epa, na 4 billion.
Yeah, na my year school. Oh, don't go school for a year. This one are 4 million.
Epa, make German money go sell the phone. Make they know how much they want.
418,652 naira.
A German money worth for 15 Pro yen, lo Epa.
German money, wait for see money to buy for 15. Unmute yourself. Tell us.
Is it?
How you take buy for 15?
I cannot say contract.
For Nigeria,
They pay me 200.
they
No,
pay
like Jamie now. 200. The 200, I don't think they use that to do anything. I don't think we do anything. Only thing I feel use that to do that to go Samsung office company. Now they hear me now.
Wait, okay. Our 4.2 stations to 418.
Now 4.18 day job. I don't.
German money stop now. You they say Epa no get.
I don't wear.
I beg, back come for road where I beg. I know that's not the deal. I be all this my family will be the duty. I just beg. Hey, Pami, that them married, baby. Hey, Pami, Hey, Pami.
German money go my
German German money, sorry, no vex. Ah. So now, 4 million
see,
there.
that
Yeah.
that phone now contract now for carrying a contract. I not buy
No,
a contract for buy a contract. You dey hear me so?
That money so when you send for me just now, on the 14th of November, now 4 million naira dey there. He better say, oh.
Epa. You dey hear me?
Hey.
You dey hear me?
Hey.
You dey hear me? You dey hear me?
I dey hear you.
Okay, if you say not be that, if you say not be wait, if you say not be 4.8 189 there, okay, if I can able to give me that's what I mean, give me if I can able to raise 800 there to complete 5 million, this boss you will see next week, you will see from my hand, you will see from my hand. I will drive for present, I will drive her. Give me time. This is they talk now.
German money,
What
no time.
now you the confusion, na confusion with this one confusion. Huh? Give me
German
You
money.
say?
You sent me
Hello?
a
Epa,
statement.
if you from back, look on a 4 point something.
Oh, if you from back, you can.
Yes.
No verse. The other day, Billy Yeke, on the month ago, now Jim out beg. Shop fry egg for me. Left.
Hello? You dey hear me?
I want shop fry egg. That's a serious word. Now from back, look on. If
Hello?
I from back, look on. If I from
You dey hear
back,
me? You dey hear
I'm
me?
not a big old boner for me. I'm not a big old boner.
You dey hear me?
Well, we dey hear you, but not be like that again. What a big old boner. What a big old boner. What a big old boner. McCarthy. So that I can see and where. DJ. What are you there? What are you? DJ. He very soon. No, so I tell they do this type of they do like this. What am I doing? A per minute, 4.2 million for that. 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 Per me. No. 4.2 million for that. 4.2 million for that. $180,000. That's it. This one at 14th of November. The present money right now is 180,000.
Epa, be go buy land.
Here is the plan. Big C, big they call him. I don't say I don't pick. If we send out the 1.8 million, then they will not plan a crook. That's why this boy no want bring it. He first come aside. They'll say as they carry the money, want go buy something. Kidnapper carry the money for road. We now go call the suffer, the stress, they look for another money again. When I get this information this afternoon, then I tell my informant, say, you sure? He say, pa, check. If I don't say, if you don't give information, the next way they do that to this, you must dig on. Then I begin, they dig. I call the laugh. But you know what's in now? People don't even pledge money with pass than 1.8 million naira. No. Somebody pledge 1 million, somebody pledge 500,000, somebody pledge another 500,000 again. In German money now, fish show us the 4.2 million naira. Okay, they say it take 20,000 naira to buy drugs today. Okay, fine. If you fish show us 4.1 million 80,000 now, German money go see 6 million naira now. We get fire, see me.
Where German money go? Epa, German money pa. Epa, German money don't move.